After completing this lesson, you will be able to select profiles to create a complex feature and use a path to refine the transition between profiles. To begin, use the New Design from File tool to open the F1 Car Loft Fusion Archive file. The Loft feature is a sketched feature, very similar to Extrude, where Extrude takes a shape and gives it a thickness with the option to add a draft angle. Loft will take one shape and transition it to one or more shapes. To start the Loft tool, go to the Create pull-down and select Loft. Select your first shape, then select the remaining shapes you'd like to loft between in order. For this second shape, I can see it's behind one of the faces of the model. If you click and hold for just a second, you will be given other options to choose from. Here, we'll select Profile, then select the remaining profile. This will create a preview of a shape. By default, this is cut since these shapes exist through an existing solid model. You'll see that the Loft shape transitions between the sketches, but in this case, it also goes right through the middle of the wheel well. An option in Loft is to use rails to guide the development path. We'll click the plus sign and select the spline that has been sketched. This modifies the path of the Loft. And when we're satisfied, we'll click OK to create the cut operation. This will create an air path under the body of the car. We can modify this in many different ways. For example, selecting one of the profiles and editing its dimensions. Or, since the second profile was based on a construction plane, we can modify the offset value of that construction plane. The Loft feature can transition between nearly any type of shape, but keeping a consistent number of edges in your sketches will make the results much more predictable.